Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex, working on the 560 SEC. We have some news for this week. I thought everything was leak free, but what do you know? A leak started appearing again on the back side of the engine between the gearbox, and it's the main seal on the back of the engine, but I don't believe it's the seal itself, but the little rim on the underside that's leaking. Let me show you a little bit better. The back end of the engine. So yesterday I removed the starter engine and the plate on the other side, so you can reach like this on the back. So I felt if it was wet from oil here and on the other side, but it wasn't. It seems to come right into this corner, not on the other side, because here it's dry. Eventually it becomes wet because it goes over there. The problem seems to be here in this corner, because on the inside it goes down and a little drop comes here. So I have two choices. I can remove the gearbox, and then I can remove this and look if it's not the main seal, or I can remove the lower oil pan. Then I can only come here, but I don't know if the main seal is leaking. So I think I just remove the gearbox just to be sure. A hell of a job again, but I don't want any drops beneath the car. So if you want something, you have to do the effort. The other job that I'm doing to keep my mind off the frustration a little bit for a couple of days, I've painted the lower sails for the car and decided that I wanted everything in the same color of the car. So this has been painted and now it's wet sanded to get that mirror shine. Also painted the front bumper and some cladding. It's nice, but it has to be wet sanded and polished. Like I said before, everything on this car has been a new challenge. Every single job. So you even saw me use new seals, new gaskets, and it's still leaking. How? I don't know, but I will discover. I never had the main seal on the back being so stubborn. So every experience is new. I had some time between to refurbish those Euro style headlights. I've repainted the inside because the plastic trim always gets discolorized, and now it's looking good again. From this one, the reflector was dechromed, so I had to replace that. So I replaced that from the SE version, because the mirrors are the same. I also rewired the connections from the car because the USA version is different from the Euro. So that's all sorted. So these ones can go into the car. So I'll let this problem sink in a little while. In the meantime, I'm going to polish and sand down all the pieces I've painted. Maybe I get some results over there, because I need results every week, otherwise I'm getting depressed. So let's continue. Except for the annoying oil leak I have between the gearbox and the engine again, we also have a winner here. It is starting to leak coolant again behind the intake manifold. So it took the car 1 week, 2 weeks maybe, before it started to leak again. So let's solve this problem again first, before I start with the main job under the car. So let's grab some tools and crack on. And there it goes. if I want to maintain the wiper washers, I have to change it, because the American version has the bracket over here, but the European version sits over here. So I have to find a solution for that. The solution is very simple actually. I only have to reposition this to here and re-drill this hole to here and close this up. Everything is in place again. I've started it and it got to operating temperature and everything looks okay, no leaks. So let's see how she behaves a couple of days or weeks. So you see, I still have a lot of work ahead of me, unfortunately. So this episode was a lot of talking, a lot of thinking, how to solve all of these problems. And the work ahead of me, I have to get new energy for it. So slowly we will get there. If you enjoyed my video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Keep me motivated. Until the next episode, thank you for watching. Bye.